In this video, we will take a look at a gesture and movement recognition system using an accelerometer and a pre-trained module from Edge Impulse connected to the Arduino via groove connectors. Let's get started. This Arduino code demonstrates how to use a pre-trained machine learning model developed with Edge Impulse to detect movement patterns using an ADXL345 accelerometer. Edge Impulse is a development platform that allows you to build, train and deploy machine learning models on edge devices like microcontrollers. In this code, the line #include movementModel.h is crucial. This is the pre-trained library generated by Edge Impulse. You can install the library from the GitHub link provided below. After downloading, include it as a zip library to the Arduino IDE. Let us take a look at the code. It starts by setting up communication with the ADXL345 accelerometer sensor and preparing the serial monitor for output. It also performs a quick check to ensure the sensor data matches the pre-trained model expectations. Periodically, the code reads a batch of accelerometer data from the ADXL345 accelerometer. It converts these raw readings into a format suitable for the machine learning model. The model analyzes the acceleration pattern to identify specific movements it was trained to recognize. For example, idle, circling, left or right, and up or down. Finally, in the output, the code prints the results of this analysis to the serial monitor. For each movement category the model knows, it displays the name of the movement and a confidence score, indicating how likely the current movement matches the category. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more interesting videos.